Welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since we had an X3 on the channel. So it's the 2026 X3 M50. And at first glance, there's nothing out of the ordinary, but that will become apparent when we get to the wheels. So this one's the G45 chassis finished in dark graphite. So a classic gray color. So headlights, single headlight in each units, and the daytime running lights underline the headlight. See corner light there, and shadowline lights. The grille is blacked out, plus you also have the iconic low kidney grille, part of that M Sport Professional package. See M badging in the grille, and parking assistance camera over on the passenger side of the grille. That is part of the premium package. It comes with Parking Assistance Plus. You can add Parking Assistance Pro through the Connected Drive store. Sensors here, that's for ACC stop and go, or in this case, Driving Assistance Pro. All right, so here's the different thing. So over on the side, style 911M. These are the M Performance wheels that you can add to any X3. They are 20-inch wheels. You can see the red M Sport calipers as well. So blacked out wheel. Looks, I think, pretty nice. Definitely, I think, better than the 1037Ms that are matte black finish. Like a Y spoke for the wheel. Let me know what you think of these style 911s. There's that side profile of the X3. And moving out back, your tail light, BMD badging there, and basically like the grille on the regular X3. I do like these tail lights, sort of an evolution of the Halo Energy Sword taillights from the previous generation LCI X3. The X3 badging and an M50 badging in chrome. And then you got the quad exhaust, only available on the X3 M50. Here's that rear 3/4 view of the new-ish X3. All right, gonna make our way inside, go over pricing and options on this, I'll just say moderately equipped X3 M50. I think it has everything you might want on the vehicle in terms of big ticket items. All right, so opening up with the calm beige Vaganza. So door card, hardish plastic up here on the upper portion, got ambient lighting. Then you got your door handle, a little on the flimsy side, same with little controls here for the lock, unlock, as well as the vent controls and seat positioning memory. Then Vaganza here, and then some contrasting stitching. And then, not my favorite thing, so like these piano black controls for the window, and piano black here. Lower portion door card, scratchy black plastic. And your standard seats on the X3. Say comfortable. It does have pretty good support and good bolstering. Down below, adjustments for side bolster and then lumbar support. You also have a manually powered chrome catcher. Then M badging here on the door sill. All right, so in front of me, your standard M Sport steering wheel. Flat bottom, M badging, M stitching. Left-hand side button for cruise control and assisted driving. Then you have shift paddles with a boost function. Airbag cover is plastic. Red stripe at the 12 o'clock. For me, iDrive 8.5 live cockpit, then head-up display, the rest of that curved display, and upper portion dashboard. This feels like Vaganza, and I wish they would have done M striping here. Of course, that's a to-taste thing that they do have on the 2 Series Grand Coupe. Then, more ambient lighting here, got your vent controls. Then, this little crevice here, more ambient lighting around it, and these are the M colors because this is in sport mode. Cup holders here, M badging, wireless charging tray only on this side. Then USB-C charging ports there as well, or USB-C ports. Now, I do know that there's no longer a compatibility for a USB thumb drive for your music collection. It doesn't work anymore in 2026. Now, the trim choice only appears here in the center console area, so that's the M fine brushed aluminum trim. Got your gear selector, then iDrive controller knob and wheel for the volume. Starting price, the 2026 X3 M50 is $65,900. Paint's another $650. Vaganza is included, and then Driving Assistance Pro for $1,700. Does not have Highway Assistant. And Sport Pro for another $800. Premium Pack for $2,750. And everything else you see here is included with the vehicle. Until you get down to the all-weather floor mats first aid kit, and those M Performance Style 911Ms, another $4,575. All told, MSRP of this particular example, $77,650. Your estimated fuel economy. All right, moving to the back, there's no comfort access on the rear doors. So opening up, here's the rest of that calm beige. I think it looks really good against the dark graphite. And that glass panel panoramic shade is open. And of course, then you have your panoramic glass panel here, or Sky Lounge. Shade is open right now. All right, here's a view of the cockpit to the back seat. Then out back, just have vent controls. Now, you do have an option to get a rear climate control console for your rear passengers. This one does not have it. Then you also have two USB-C ports down there, or charging ports. Back view to the front seats, you do have a travel and comfort system. You also have a cargo net. Knee room, leg room, pretty good. Then headroom, not much of an issue in back of the X3. It's more the back of the seats there. Hardish plastic here. Got some Vaganza here. Nice to the touch. All right, move to the back. You do have kick to open. All right, so here is the cargo. It is a pretty good size. You got your standard cargo cover here. You also fold down the rear seats for even more cargo room. Down below, space saver spare. Well, I just noticed this. There's now a diagram to show you how to use the kick to open. For those people who can't quite get it, it's a pretty good demonstration there. Use our power tailgate right here. All right, let's move to the front and pop the hood as we take in more of this X3 with those performance wheels. All right, so here's the B50 inline-6 3-liter turbo engine with a mild hybrid setup. In the X3, you get 393 horsepower and 428 torques. So plenty of power on this X3 M50. But that's it. We'll see you at the next video.